Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Photos to a pen drive or a USB flash drive. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up Google Photos, so it can be using the app or the web version. Then basically go ahead and find or select the photos or videos you would like to transfer. So for the example, I'm just going to choose these 3 images. You can choose videos too, but I'm just going to choose these, and then from here click on the 3 dots and click on download, or you can click on Shift D. Now it's going to say here preparing to download those items on the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now once it's finished downloading, it's going to show you here on your downloads, photos or videos is finished. So come back here to downloads, go ahead and open it up. We can Control C to copy these, and then go back to your USB flash drive or pen drive, and then just basically paste them in like so. So you can see these 5 images are all in here now.